This is the first official YouTube video of the Code with Toyin YouTube channel. I apologize for any improper sound quality or video quality. This is my first video. Please bear with me. So I recommend using AirPods, headphone, and a wider screen to watch the video as I carry you along. Thank you. Let's go. So before we start off with the course, we are going to be needing an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. We are going to be needing VS Code. So we head online, go to Chrome and then search for VS Code. And then this is how VS Code looks like, where we have our file explorer on the left and then our code editor on the other side, in the middle, kind of. And then you hit download for Windows. Next thing, install your VS Code like every other application. Up next is opening the folder with VS Code. I created an empty folder on my desktop and I named it Intro to Web Design. This folder will be holding all the code we will be writing henceforth in this course. So first I will create a folder for today's course and I will name it Day 1 and open it up. Then I right click and select the option Open with Code. If this option is not available for you, don't worry, we are going to try another method. So this method should open your VS Code for you. This method is not available for you. Now let's try this. You go back to your folder, go to the root directory and then type in this keyword cmd. This should open up your command prompt and then type in this code. Like just type in this code and then space and then a full stop and then you hit enter. This should also open your VS Code. So after having our VS Code opened, we would want to create an HTML file. To do this, we hover on the Day 1 folder on the File Explorer and then click on the New File button. Give the file a name and then make sure you end it with a .html extension. This is very important. It tells you to program the kind of language you want to write and then you hit enter. That's all. Lastly, don't forget to contribute to the channel's growth so we can bring more content to you. Bye!